hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Yes, people. Gary Chucks is constantly on medication.
These are seizure tablets.
Yes, he's saying that those are the seizure tablets because he suffers seizures from time to time. This, we need your help. He needs stuff.
These are pressure tablets.
Okay. Those are his pressure tablets, seizure tablets. So he's constantly on medication. As you know, in the entertainment industry, things start to close down. He's unable to be out there in the street looking his bread.
These are my wipes.
Yes, he constantly needs wipes, all those stuff he need, all of those things. He's unable to go out there in the street. Okay. Here he has a prescription that he really needed the funds, needed the help for. Can you reach out? Can you reach out and assist Gary? When he was up and about, he was assisting others.
True.
So Gary can talk about how you usually go about helping others. So this is a time now where he needs your help.
Why?
Can you reach out to him?
Tell us
Yeah, man. When I was up and about, I used to help a lot of artists and like dancers, cause I used to play at an event named Dirty Fridays, and me help send most of the dancers to the world. Cause they were just dancing, but they were making the money. So I was the person who helped make them know, say, yo, you know, so alone just a dance, and you can make money out of this, out of dancing. So me call up a whole heap of dancers. You need to start calling name right now.
No, you don't have to call any name.
Right
No.
now. A whole heap of dancers. Send them to
get
the world.
exposed.
And you have traveled all over the
Yeah, I've
same.
traveled a lot of places. The only place I haven't traveled at is Africa.
Oh, you haven't been to Africa? Or all over
I've been to Europe.
Europe?
I've been to the US, Canada. I've been to the islands, Cayman Islands. I was the first person to been to Cayman Islands who played on a boat ride. Who make the promoters have to keep a boat ride.
He's saying that he's the first one who allowed promoters to keep a boat ride. People, please help. He was there. He's unable to do so. He's reaching out to you, who he was always there for. I'm asking your help at this moment for some donations.
Georgia, what big artists out there?
Please reach out. He needs your help. And again, my number is 1-876-433-5378. You can call me or WhatsApp me. This is the condition that Mr. Gary Chucks is in now. So as I'm saying, we can be here, up and running and about. No one is not exempted from what he's going through. To me, we're just here. And the greatest thing is to reach out to the Father daily. No matter the hype we may have, the boasting and all of that we may have daily and stuff, that doesn't pay. And this can happen to anyone's soul. This can happen to anyone. Therefore, you are not exempted from the situation that he's in now. He's constantly suffering seizures. He needs his medication. He needs your help. This is the stage that he's at now. Please help him. Show him the love so he can feel comfortable. Show him the love
People,
and to support him in every way. He's saying something.
before I leave off of the life, I don't know who I've the strokes over 2 years now. on the 17th of December 2017 until present day today. And the day when I got strokes, I was at work doing my work.
He's saying that he was on the job. Very prominent and popular selector. Travel all over, help others, help a lot. It is your time now to lend a helping hand. He's unable to walk, he has to use a walker. I'm asking your help. 1-876-433-5378. Thank you.
Jaja. Bless upon yourself and viewers and subscribers. I don't know what's the attacking boss there. And you see people, I posted a video earlier where a selector drop out, you understand, because I suffer from diabetes and another sickness. And Gary Chucks, that go about 2 years ago, 3 years now, people. I'm sick out and thing, you understand. We see at times being with them try raise some funds and thing and keep party and assist people. But now, the man in a condition, people, where him needing medication them and basically him can't buy them. This video was done in July, sometime in July, people. And I was going through looking about the selector, the one you see me upload about previously, and then I came across Gary Chucks people and I saw this video and I say, yo, no matter what, I could have 10 years ago me have to share people because I know I still need help because nothing now go on. See? And when I go ask people, because I know some selector we do reach out to him. I know some artists we do reach out to him. Maybe before, after that video was done, but I go ask now because I know I still need help. And I go leave the number for the lady in the description there, people. So anybody who can assist this man. Because remember, people, this man was up and running, touring, selecting Dirty Friday, mash up the place, go all over Jamaica and thing. He was fit, you get me? And see the people, sickness can't take anybody. Anybody sickness can't take. All of the money we can have in this world, people, sickness can't take you and everything just gone, just move like that. See? And none of our people are going to say, yo, when do you do the money? But imagine, this man got through some sickness, people. You think if this man did even have $50 million, sickness can blow everything. That's how sickness is. You hear? When certain sickness take you, sometimes you say if you do an operation that costs all 30 million Jamaican dollar, $25 million. You get me? So people, in the end, anybody who can assist. You don't have to be no entertainers because nowadays we don't check the entertainers them people. You understand?
Gary Chucks is constantly on medication.
Few of them will come boom and help people. But most of them only for themselves.
Yes, he's saying that those are the seizure tablets because he suffers seizures from time to time.
Please,
we need your help.
You understand?
He needs
stuff. I go find it in my heart, people. Honestly.
He needs
something towards Gary Chucks. No joke about it. I could have won.
Those are his pressure tablets, seizure tablets. So he's constantly on medication. As you know, in the entertainment industry, things start to close.
And anybody, man,
he's unable to be out there in the street. Looking his bread.
NEWLINK on a video or something can show the person what them go through.
Yes, he constantly needs wipes, all those stuff you need, all of those things.
I'm telling that already.
He's unable to go out there
for you,
in the street.
Not for myself alone. For everybody.
Here he has a prescription that he really needed the funds, needed the help for. Can you reach out? Can you reach out? And assist Gary.
Be good and be great and be safe out there.
When he was up and about, he was assisting others.